Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and this video is going to be about reviewing the iconic professional curler, and I will also curl my hair using this. Because this is the first time I'm using this curler, so I'll share my experience with you and I'll curl my hair in front of you in this video. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for future updates. So this is the iconic professional curling tong in the size 28 mm. So 28 mm is a tong size, and depending on the size of curls you want, you can choose the curling size. Because it's 28 mm, there is another size, I think 38 mm for bigger waves, and for smaller waves I think 19 mm is there. So I wanted something which is medium in size. This curler has ceramic shine infused barrel and heat ready indicator system. So the price for this, I purchased it from Amazon for 2400 rupees, but price printed on this is 3100, and I think on Nykaa it's available for 2700 rupees. So its features are ceramic barrel technology, which evenly distributes the heat and prevents damage. This product is claiming that. Then cool tip, the protection cool tip for safely holding the hair while styling. Then instant heat up, then comfort sleep free grip, overheat protection, and some integrated safety stand. So let's check what's inside the box. So they have this manual and this iconic professional hair tool and accessory printed one paper, where there are a lot of other products. They have pictures of all the iconic products: curler, dryers, straighteners, brushes and combs, etc. It's also written that the warranty is valid for 1 year from the date of purchase, and the curling tong is replaceable within 3 months or repaired within 1 year of original purchase date if it is found to be defective in a material or workmanship. So it's replaceable within 3 months if there is any defect in the product. There is also one warranty card is given. They have mentioned one link and given one barcode to activate the warranty of this product. So then this is the product, and like they have mentioned on the box, it's comfort sleep free grip, because it's not exactly the slippery plastic material, so it's really a slip free material. Then there is a control given here, power on off button, then for increasing and decreasing the temperature. And this is the size of the tong. It's 28 mm and the cable is really long. Okay, and let's check the product, because now I'm going to use it for curling my hair in front of you, and let's see whether it gives a smooth and nice finish to my hair or not. So let's start the curling process. So for that, I'll just need these 3 different size of combs and hair serum. I'm using Siri Expertly's Unlimited Serum, and hair tie and one clutch. So this is the final results. The curls are really shiny, smooth and bouncy. Look at the bounce in my hair. I'm really loving this curls. So I think this curler worth its price. So I have taken bigger chunks of hair because I wanted it to be a loose wave kind of a look, but if you want a tight curls, then you should make smaller chunks of your hair while curling your hair. So actually I have one curler which is from some other brand, but I was not happy with the result from that curler because iron used to make my hair rough and used to strip all the shine away from my hair. So, and I heard of this brand Iconic from very long time, and so I wanted to try my hands on this brand, and finally I purchased one and I'm really happy, super happy with this purchase. I think my hairs are looking super sexy and super cool. So yeah, that's the result, and I think you should also try this one. Like every other curling iron, it also takes time because already my volume is, I have a lot of volume. So maybe if depending upon your volume, it may take 30 to 40 minutes for curling all of your hair. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope I'll create some more looks using this color and will share with you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now, and please click on the like button if you like this video and share this video. See you. Bye.